Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Tesla Model 3 online. First, navigate to the official Tesla website. You'll then select the Model 3 and begin customizing it to your preferences. Choose your trim level, exterior color, wheel design, and any additional features like enhanced autopilot. Pay close attention to the estimated delivery window and the total price as you build your perfect vehicle. Once your Model 3 is configured, you'll proceed to enter your personal and delivery details. This includes your name, address, and contact information. A small, non-refundable order fee, usually around $250, is required to place your order and reserve your spot in the production queue. Double-check all your selections carefully before confirming your order to avoid any future changes. Next, consider your financing options. Tesla offers direct financing, or you can secure a loan through your preferred bank or credit union. If you have a vehicle to trade in, you can get an instant estimate online. Be prepared to upload required documents, such as your driver's license and proof of insurance, to complete the financing and trade-in process smoothly. As your Model 3 nears completion, Tesla will notify you to schedule your delivery appointment. This is when you'll finalize any remaining payments or confirm your financing. On delivery day, thoroughly inspect your new vehicle for any issues and sign all the necessary paperwork. Congratulations, you'll soon be driving your new Tesla Model 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.